This is the piece that started it all, our old bathtub.
If there were no music around, I mean, and even if you didn't play, all you did was listen to and enjoy music that way. If there were no way to listen to music, you would start hearing the music in everyday things. It's still ringing. It's still ringing. And then you can move your fingers away from the holes and back on. So listen to this. Neat, eh? Let's see. Okay, that's good. See, it's just a little bit, just a few. And now... Way before language, there was music. You just wrap the tape around it, it's got to go all the way to the bottom, and it's twice as loud. And it talks a bit too. Playing and not stop? Right? You don't stop. All music is sound, but not all sound is music. That's the fun part. Feels good, you know, to help save the world from garbage by reusing garbage.